should an animal shelter do? The universal answer is care for animals and find them homes. The mission of the New York City Animal Care Center is to promote and protect the health, safety, and welfare of pets and people in New York City. That is the goal of an animal control organization, not an animal shelter. Animal control prioritizes health and safety of the public. Animal control does not prioritize adoptions for homeless animals in their possession. In 2005, the Mayor's Alliance implemented a decade-long plan, a strategy for transforming New York City into a no-kill. It failed. 11 years later, ACC has fully tapped out the support of Alliance rescues, putting many of them in financial peril. Last year, rescues saved 15,831 of ACC's animals, more than twice the shelter's placement in permanent homes. And last year, ACC euthanized 4,045 animals, of which 63% were treatable. 766 treatable dogs and 1,766 treatable cats lost their lives. That is not no-kill. This year, we continue to see euthanasia as population control at the ACC. Pets and strays healthy at intake are kill listed for illnesses acquired at ACC due to unsanitary practices and lack of competent veterinary care. Lost house cats, friendly, healthy stray and community cats are routinely trapped by members of the public as nuisance control and dumped in the shelter as population control by extermination. That is not no-kill. Dogs on the at-risk list labeled with behavioral issues will be euthanized if not pulled by rescue. Pregnant animals are routinely spay-aborted even in late term despite having a rescue reserve. Animals are routinely killed for fear-based behaviors, and every night at 6 p.m. a kill list of 30 to 50 lives for whom 18 hours is given before euthanasia begins at noon the following day. That is not no-kill. Can an open admission municipal shelter be no-kill? Yes. Austin Animal Center in Texas is an open intake and accepts all animals regardless of age, health, species, breed, behavior, whether they are stray or owned. And Austin is the largest no-kill shelter in the United States. Their clear, compassionate mission statement is to provide public service and a safety net for lost and homeless animals in the community by providing necessary food, water, shelter, and standard municipal veterinary care for animals in need. To provide placement services that will assist lost, homeless, or sheltered animals to their homes or find new homes when necessary. Provide live outcomes for at least 90% of sheltered animals. To enforce animal regulations and assist the public with animal-related concerns. To provide animal services to the public in order to educate and prevent animal homelessness and promote humane, compassionate treatment of animals and responsible pet ownership. Big difference. There is no kill list, and they do not euthanize treatable animals. They achieved their no-kill plan in 5 years, working openly with stakeholders and the public with commitment, a revised mission statement, and a moratorium on euthanizing animals for space. They identified deficiencies, developed innovative programs, and saved the animals. They increased veterinary staff, added a behaviorist, and released employees not embracing their no-kill goal. Austin established transparency. Their website provides shelter inspections and a real-time intake and animal disposition data portal. They designed an open public adoption process where a visitor hands in a visitor profile to the greeting center and then is free to stroll the animal housing area. Information on each animal is available, and an electronic device is provided which will summon a counselor to meet them by the pet selected to finalize the adoption. Austin innovated their relinquishment policy, developed a bilingual public awareness campaign, including signage at the shelter, counseling at intake, using 311 to rehome pets, and a pit bull task force. Before surrendering a pet, a menu of online resources is provided to local rescues, pet-friendly housing, and a program that provides low or no-cost medical services and financial support to allow people to keep or kennel pets until homes can be found. 42 kennels and veterinary clinics participate in that emergency boarding program. Owners surrendering a pet are required to complete and submit an animal profile and review it with shelter staff before they are given a surrender appointment time. Austin does not allow dumping of healthy, feral, or friendly strays. Free TNR services are available to sterilize, vaccinate, and return cats to the address at which they were found. Austin provides free or low-cost public spay-neuter services, including post-surgery pain medication. The shelter sponsors free rabies vaccinations and free microchipping. Shelter field officers carry hand scanners to identify and return lost pets immediately when found. Friends of Austin Animal Centers Paws and Aid Brigade program provides treatment for heartworm, orthopedic surgeries, skin and eye conditions, and allergies. They also assist with targeted adoption groups to find homes for vulnerable animals. The Hard Luck Hounds program focuses on saving the longest staying dogs at the shelter. Each dog has a waived adoption fee, goes home with a crate, and has a free follow-up wellness exam. Austin Pets Alive provides critical diagnostic and emergency care in their medical clinic and medical programs for vulnerable populations. They have a neonatal kitten program, a ringworm ward, and a feline leukemia isolation adoption center. And a first of its kind in the nation, Parvo Puppy ICU. They have a dog behavior program that facilitates healthy, well-adjusted dogs in the shelter that are ready for homes. It includes play groups, good citizen training, and post-adoption counseling. And that is no kill. We need to bring these proven, life-saving programs to New York City. Yay! New shelters in the Bronx and Queens need to open with a no-kill mission, already established and working in the current shelter system. Public donations, supportive networks, and volunteers flow easily to organizations that provide compassionate, humane care and enable loving homes for our companion animals. New York City has failed its citizens and companion animals in need. New York City needs no kill. Our animals need no kill now.